In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install any Canon printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match would appear. Please double tap to continue. In a few moments, you would be navigated to the Chrome browser itself. Please close the other window if two windows are opening so that we can focus on the first one. So we just have to wait until we can see the search bar that is being placed here at the center before we proceed on the searching for our printer driver. So from here, you need to proceed to the search bar and please type for Canon, then LBP, then the model of the Canon printer driver that you would like to install with. Okay, so let's say for example, in my case, I want to install LBP3300. So once you're done typing the model number for Canon, you need to proceed to the list of results. So please proceed to the first result. Okay, just just proceed any of this. Anyway, this function similarly, they have similar window or page where you can get the printer driver, so no worries for that. Okay, so you will get an option where you can download it. Click on download. Okay, and once it is being downloaded, all you need to do is you need to copy and paste it to the desktop. Okay, so close the window. And once you have pasted it here to the desktop, you need to proceed to the extraction. So double tap to extract the file or unzip it, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this file. So we just have to go with extract to, then the model number, and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So set this aside first and kindly wait until we can get a file folder here at the desktop. If it's taking some time, you can navigate to the File Explorer and check it here manually to the desktop and check if it's being extracted. So as you can see, yes, it is being extracted. So once you're good, close the window. Okay, you can now close the window and please proceed here at the start icon, make a right click and then scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please proceed to the left side of that and locate where the option called Bluetooth and devices. Okay, so here at the Bluetooth and devices, please navigate directly to the printers and scanners, and you can get an option like this. Click on Add Device and wait until a option where you can manually add a printer driver would appear. So click on it once it finds here, and please proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Click on Next. And from here, you need to go with Have Disk and click on Browse. And since we're placed at the top, then we need to navigate there and then please scroll down on the list and proceed to the extracted file. So from here, you can see the driver, double tap to it and it will show you the drivers. Click on Open and click on OK. So it will be placed here, click on Next, and it will now start in the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, you can now click on Next and go with Finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed a Canon printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.